So here we have an ACDelco ARM601. This is a 3/8 size wrench. It's a digital torque wrench with buzzer that alerts you when you reach your torque level. And it also has a LED flash notification. It has a ISO 6789 standards with certificate of calibration. Now it comes in a handsome, sturdy, and very protective case, which is easy to open but securely locks. It goes from 2 to 37 foot-pounds of torque range with LED flashing buzzer alarm when torque is reached. It takes AAA batteries, 4 of them. It has multiple setting functions, torque, measurement, and peak and trace mode settings. It meets all quality assurances or exceeds them. It comes with individually serialized with matching certificates of calibration traceable to NIST. So this is really great to have around the shop if you do any light mechanical work on your car, like spark plugs, lug nuts, and even oil drain caps. You want to get that torque right and be sure you did a solid job, and this is the tool to do it.